In a fast-paced, high-pressure social environment, people must cope with complex situations arising from life, work, studies, and interpersonal relationships, which continually challenge the state of mental health for the general population. Against the backdrop of a lack of mental health education in China, negative emotions caused by work and study pressures are often not properly understood. In bustling metropolises, people's emotions are drowned out by the roar of subways, hurried footsteps, and touring tasks. When people experience negative emotions, they tend to develop corresponding negative self-perceptions. The long-term accumulation of these factors can lead to the formation of a negative identity. Similarly, negative feedback from the external environment regarding these emotions also contributes to shaping an individual's negative identity. Over time, this creates a vicious cycle between our cognition and emotions. My design project aims to get people towards proper emotional awareness and reduce stigma, fostering self-support in the process. On the other hand, it seeks to visually represent emotions to the external environment in a more tangible way, minimizing misunderstandings from others, building empathy, and enabling users to gain support from their surroundings and close relationships. In researching some precedents, I explored the possibilities of visualizing emotions. Color is often the primary tool for emotional visualization, as it can quickly engage perception and empathy. In addition, shape and texture have also been incorporated into my design expression. The interdisciplinary content within this precedent has further inspired me, prompting reflections on the connection between emotions and physical sensations. My three design explorations are primarily based on Robert Plastrick's Wheel of Emotions as the core theoretical framework. In the first project, I plan to create an emotion island composed of modular pieces using mixed materials that can be randomly assembled. It includes a main island symbolizing brain neurons and 16 sub-islands, each representing the primary and core emotions from the Wheel of Emotions. The islands will be constructed with symbolic elements of color, decoration, and texture, all of which are tied to specific emotional representations. Users can select and construct their own islands based on their current emotions, allowing them to observe their mental state. This approach of visualizing abstract emotions makes it easier for emotion recipients to understand the user's psychological condition, enabling them to provide better support. In the second project, I associate emotions with physical sensations and personal behaviors. The accumulation of negative emotions often leads to a series of somatic symptoms, which I use as the basis for the installation structure. The installations component are grounded in primary emotions, with each emotion linked to three corresponding behaviors and sensations that are then abstracted into design elements. In the process of recording their emotions, users will be guided to reflect on the source and state of their emotions, similar to the meditative guidance found in art therapy. In the third project, I focus on the primary dyad and the secondary dyad from the Wheel of Emotions. These represent blends of two different primary emotions, capturing more nuanced and intricate feelings. Each composite emotion will be represented by an abstract expression drawn on a transparent board. These boards can overlap based on user choices, creating a layered effect that conveys a spatial and dynamic emotional tour. In the upcoming vacation, I will continue to explore more possibilities for the project, seek corresponding theoretical support, and expressive forms based on personal reflections.